Hey, I'm not going to tell you again to leave. I'm going to give you one more time. If you don't leave, I'm going to take you to. Listen, if you don't listen to me.
Get in your car and leave.
Listen,
avoid this. Get in your car and leave.
I'm giving you an order. One more time.
Get in your car and leave.
One more time. I'm giving you an order to get out of here. Hey, turn me down right here. Hold your hands behind your back. I told you, leave. Nope, too late.
You didn't want to listen.
Nope, too late. I told you.
We told you multiple times.
I'll move the car. I got you.
Move the car, sir, please. Please move the car.
The car has to hang out for a minute now. He's under arrest.
Yeah, he was right. Hey, what's the reference?
Huh?
What's the reference? Reckless.
Yeah, careless, because you were speeding too fast.
I wanted him 2 mistakes already.
Move the car.